ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് കേട്ടറ്റ് കാറ്റഗറി 3 സൈക്കോളജി ആൻഡ് പെഡഗോഗി റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ HSC എക്സാം എഴുതാൻ പോകുന്ന ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾക്കും ഉപകാരപ്രദമായ ഈ വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമായാൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക ആൻഡ് ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ലേണിംഗ് ഡിസബിലിറ്റി ഇൻ റൈറ്റിംഗ് എ ലാംഗ്വേജ് ഈസ് നോൺ ആസ് എ ഡിസ്ഗ്രാഫിയ. Project method is based on the philosophy of pragmatism. In a constructivist classroom, the teacher is known as facilitator of the learning. Scaffolding can promote learning according to social constructivism. The heuristic method was propounded by H.E. Armstrong. Anyone can become angry, that is easy, but to be angry with the right person to right degree and the right time for the right purpose and in the right way, that is not easy. This is related to the emotional development. Anything can be taught to anybody in an intellectually honest way. This remark was made by Jerome S. Bruner, who opined that Jean Piaget had not considered the role of society and culture in the development of individual. Vygotsky. The book Thought and Language was written by Vygotsky. Dash is the modified version of checklist rating scale. Programmed instruction book is birthed from operant conditioning. Who said sound mind in a sound body? Plato. In Bruner's term, the three modes of developing a mental world model are inactive stage, iconic stage and symbolic stage. The term defense mechanism is a key concept in which school of psychology? Psychoanalytical. Universal grammar stressed on Noam Chomsky. According to whom babies have a highly action-oriented intelligence? Jerome S. Bruner. Dalton plan is associated with Miss Helen Parkhurst. Right to Education Article 21A was inserted on the Dash Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. 86 Amendment Act. Transposition theory in transfer of learning is propounded by Gestalt psychologist. Piaget called the period of infancy as the sensory motor stage. Which one of the following is the main objective of teaching? To develop thinking power of the student. Language laboratories help to develop the skill of speaking and listening. Effectiveness of teaching depends on subject understanding of teacher. Maximum participation of student during teaching is possible through inductive method. Identify the category of evaluation that assess the learning progress to provide continuous feedback to the student during the instruction. That is formative evaluation. Sociometry introduced by J.L. Moreno. Advanced organizer is aimed to develop student to cognitive structure. The first virtual university of India come up on Tamil Nadu. What is the degree of consistency in a test? Reliability. Certain principles or rules in teaching is known as a maxims of teaching. A systematic collection of a student work by the teacher. Portfolio. Which model is better for citizenship training? Jurisprudential. Advanced organizer is used to introducing the topic. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like.